At the gas station, about to get my Z4 tuned by CD919. About to put some gas in it. Did some passes at the drag strip, and it did pretty good. Vacuum lines blowed off, so I had to zip tie them down. So now they won't come off. That's the wrong size bar, but I'll fix that later. And this plug came out, so I replaced that with a different one, and now it's doing pretty good. I just got 8 PSI because that's what my wastegate spring is, and I'm about to get all this old gas out and put some brand new 93 in. See how it does. Alright, he sent me the file. I'm flashing it. It's downloading to my car. These crazy lights and stuff come up, and it's on my phone, so just gotta wait. Got the Thor Wi-Fi adapter, and just gotta wait a few minutes for it to download. I finished the tune file. It's uploaded, and now I'm about to data log. So you just go to the monitor tab. He wanted me to change a couple of the parameters, and these are the parameters I wanted to see as I'm driving. But yep, just click start logging and it'll save it for you. So updates everything while you're driving. No need for a boost gauge, your phone tells you. Let's see. You got all these options, but you only get 6 at a time. I usually want people to show all the options and go through the menu slow. They just be speeding and swiping through. I'm like, dang, I don't even know what I could have and not have. Do I really want this? But I also have the full license for MHD, so you get everything. Yup. And cut the lights on. It's pretty warm because I've been driving. Burned all the old gas out. He wants a little section of me normal driving, and then he wanted a little pool. Just made it to the drag strip. Got the single turbo kit on, got the valves open. I haven't been leaking any oil or nothing like that, so everything should be good. Hopefully it's not dripping nothing. Took the JB4 off. I flashed it with MHD Stage 2 Plus just so I could get a good run. Thanks.
How long have you had this?
A few months. I just put the single turbo kit on it. Yeah. What else? I got it set up for the 3-port Mac and single bank O2, so let's see how it does. I'm stuck at 8 PSI. Alright, let's see what we can get. Won't let me launch it, it'll fall in his face. Damn! I did not think it was gonna pick up like that. Shit! That's just 8 PSI.
Oh my lord.
Fuck, I want to know what that was. Okay, that went better than I thought. That's crazy.
Oh, that was great. What size turbo is it?
This is a massive. It takes forever to spool up. I may in a couple of months or so switch it out to a smaller one.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to like spool at idle and stuff, but it's not doing that. So it's got the T51R mod, so that's why you hear it a little bit higher up.
Yeah.
But hopefully when I crank the boost up, it'll come on sooner.
That felt good too.
Yeah, it felt good. It didn't break up or nothing. I thought it was gonna misfire. Damn. Let's see what we get. I can't see. We got a 9.4. Is that what it says? I can't see. Yeah, 9.4. Usually I get an 8, 9. I couldn't break that, but hopefully when we get this boost on sooner, it'll do better. Still stuck at 8 PSI. We're gonna run this other turbo car. He's gonna gap me, but let's see what it do. Okay, now I know how to do launch control. Alright, might have to lower it just a little bit. Alright, I got launch control to work, but it was spinning a little bit, so I wasn't trying to snap nothing, but we got a 9.1, so we shaved 2 seconds off. Let's see if we could do it a little bit better. Reaction time was horrible. About to race an old school 5.0. It's probably LS swap, but I don't know. Wasn't expecting that one. That time it hit. It's still, I'm gonna just let it shift itself. I don't know why. I'm trying to turn it off to where I can just manually shift it and it just be me. But every time I shift it, the computer wants to shift it shortly after me. I kept raising the RPMs for it, but we still got the same mindset, I guess. I tried changing the RPMs and XHP. I guess I need to turn it up like to the max settings so I can shift it when I want to. I want to shift around like 65, somewhere in there. But as soon as I press it, the computer does it like a millisecond before me, so it double shifts. And it still keeps moving, but I'd rather it not do that. Let's see what I got. Thank you. Alright, I got 9.2 and the Mustang got 10.2. So I had a whole second on them. Hopefully it'll launch a little bit better. I don't know why it sucks getting off the line like that. This time I'm going against a Kia Stinger. I think he's gonna get me. If I remember, they're a little faster than my Camaro. Touch it. This ain't tweaking. I gotta mess with the settings. Yeah. I gotta take a scoot, bro. Oh, that's on 8 PSI? Yeah. The transmission set points good. Going against a GTI this